What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to simplify 1 plus root 45. It's gonna be 1 plus 9 square root of 9 times square root of 5. 9 is 3 squared, so square root of 3 squared times square root of 5. Square root and squared cancel each other. It's gonna be just 1 plus 3 root 5. Next example. 3 plus 125. Answer is 3 plus square root of 125. It's going to be 3 plus 125 is 1 cubed or 5 cubed or 5 squared times 5, which is going to be 3 plus square root of 5 squared times square root of 5. Then square root and square cancel each other. It will be 3 plus 5 square root of 5. That's the final answer. Next example. We have 10 minus square root of 24 divided by 2. The answer is, we have 10 minus 24 is 4 times 6, so we have square root of 4 square root of 6 divided by 2. Square root of 4 is 2, so it's going to be 10 minus 2 root 6 divided by 2, and then we simplify it. It will be 5 minus root 6, because 10 divided by 2 is 5. 2 root 6 divided by 2 is going to be root 6. Next example. We have 8 minus root 80 divided by 4. So, how to simplify it? The answer is, we have 8 minus 80 is root 16 times root 5. 16 times 5 is 80. So that makes it 8 minus square root of 16 is 4 divided by 4. That makes it 2 minus square root of 5. Next example. How to simplify 3 plus square root of 90 divided by 3. The answer is 3 plus 90 is 9 times 10. So it's going to be square root of 9 times square root of 10 divided by 3. Square root of 9 is 3, so it's going to be 3 plus 3 root 10 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, plus 3 square root of 10 divided by 3 is going to be just square root of 10. So that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.